Welcome. I love books, always have. Lately I've been reading many books in preparation for the launch of my brand new YouTube channel, the Wolfsden Home Bar, Cocktails and Cameras. I love books, always have. Lately I've been reading a plethora of books, reading a ton of books in preparation for the launch of my brand new YouTube channel, the Wolfsden Home Bar, Cocktails and Cameras. I am totally excited to share my channel and this information with the world. Nervous and excited, all rolled up into one. But before I launched the Wolfsden Home Bar, I knew there was one book that I had to read. You see, I've been studying tutorials on YouTube for the past several months, morning, night, falling asleep to them, waking up to them. And one name that I came across, one fellow in particular, Cannell. I came across Cannell while I was researching YouTube videos, tutorials, listening to all the gurus out there. And Cannell from Think Media is the one name that keeps popping up, the one name that has given me the most information, founder of Think Media. But before I launched my channel, I knew there was one book that I had to read. And that book is in this package. I've been waiting for it for a week. It arrived yesterday, and I still haven't opened it, but I'm going to open it with you while researching tutorials on how to run a YouTube channel and immersed myself in tutorials to best prepare for the new endeavor that I'm embarking upon. The information that I have garnered from Sean and his media group has been priceless, and I cannot wait to read this guide to growing a YouTube community. As we say at Studio West Productions, let's go. YouTube Secrets, updated 2nd edition. The ultimate guide to growing your following and making money as a video influencer. Cannell and Benji Travis. YouTube has changed our world, from how we view video to how we connect and market, opening a new entrepreneurial landscape to ambitious individuals. Millions of people generate 6 to 7 figures annually from online video content. And with the right roadmap, you too could be en route to real influence and income. In the new and expanded edition of YouTube Secrets, online video experts Cannell and Benji Travis draw on almost 2 decades of experience, as well as interviews with more than 200 top creators to give you a step-by-step YouTube success playbook. You'll learn the 7 essential ingredients for a profitable channel, new strategies for getting views and subscribers, 10 ways to make money on YouTube, and much more. Whether you're a beginner or a veteran, this book will show you how to use YouTube to build a following, create a lucrative business, and make a massive impact in people's lives, which is the most important thing. College dropout to 8-figure CEO Cannell has helped thousands of clients start successful YouTube channels and generate millions in revenue. He's been featured on CNBC, Entrepreneur, Success Magazine, and Business Insider. Benji Travis, along with his wife Judy, has amassed over 1 billion views on YouTube. 1 billion views on YouTube. Has gained over 4 million subscribers and created a 7-figure influencer business. With over a decade of experience, Benji works with creators to land brand deals, build profitable businesses, and continue to grow their influence on social media. He's coached some of the most influential creators on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. The table of contents. The 7 C's. Courage. Ignite passion and transcend fears. Clarity. Start with the end in mind. Channel. Building a home for your content. Content. Create lasting impact. Community. Engage with your audience. Cash. Monetize your content. Consistency. Hustle your way to success. Courage, clarity, channel, content, community, cash, and consistency. The 7 C's. That's part 1. Part 2 are tactics. The perfect video recipe. Social media. The good, the bad, and the ugly. That was a great movie, by the way. Discoverability. Attract your ideal audience on autopilot. Collaboration. Grow your audience exponentially. Trends and tentpoles. Conspire with the culture. Team. Scale your vision. Think differently. Crush conventionality. New YouTube features. Conclusion, appendix, acknowledgments about the authors. I'm totally looking forward to reading this book. Thank you, Sean. And I'm also looking forward to the Tube 1000 challenge coming up this week. We'll see you on the tube, and I look forward to the launch of the Wolfsden Home Bar, Cocktails and Cameras. Let's get mixing.